This Friday, cold front sliding over the southwestern areas, but behind the front, the first strong spring cut of low weather system strengthening, expected to bring stormy conditions this weekend and early next week. So here's the forecast. Overnight into Friday morning, that cold front sliding over the southwestern areas to bring in some light rain for the western as well as the southern Cape and foggy patches at first. And then in the far northeastern areas, due to high instability values, isolated thunderstorms likely to bubble up over the escarpment of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. And then into Friday night, a band of storms extending from our neighboring countries over the extreme northern areas of the northern Cape. But it's behind that cold front where we've got the strong cut of low weather system starting to strengthen and nearing South Africa on Saturday. A band already expected to extend east of that cut of low over parts of the Cape provinces, stretching into the Eastern Cape. And then into Sunday, those storms becoming more severe in parts of the Karoo, and an onshore flow will push in more rain for the coastal areas of South Africa. At the moment, accumulated rainfall models are showing a band extending from Saturday over the Cape provinces into the Eastern Cape. And then on Sunday, we are expecting the storms to become more severe, especially in parts of the Karoo, over the southern areas of the Northern Cape as well as the Western Cape. And an onshore flow will push in more rain for the coastal areas of South Africa in the shade of pink, more than 50 millimeters likely. But taking the model all the way to Monday night, we are seeing these black spots coming up here in parts of the Garden Route as well as the Overberg. In those areas, more than 100 millimeters could lead to widespread flooding. But keep in mind, cuts of low weather systems are extremely volatile and the forecast can change from one day to the next. So you'll have to keep on watching Box Weather to see where the system will develop and how strong it will get. These rainfall amounts could either decrease or increase as the system moves across the country this weekend. Tomorrow we'll have a full forecast on what you can expect as that cuts of low weather system nears South Africa. On Friday, as mentioned, only morning light rain possible over the southwestern areas and also along the southern coastline. Isolated thunderstorms likely over the escarpment of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Foggy and cloudy at first in the Western Cape with morning light rain over parts of the Overberg as well as the Boerlands, and in Cape Town it's quite chilly the afternoon, only 17 degrees with an onshore westerly wind blowing, as well as here along the southern coastline. It's a mostly cloudy day with light rain at times, but actually warming up nicely in parts of the Karoo. Lots of sunshine, windy with maximum temperatures reaching the mid to upper 20s. It's a sunny and warm to very warm day ahead of that front in the Eastern Cape. Northwesterly winds picking up, so the Weather Service warning against runaway fires with an onshore flow, light onshore flow for East London and Port St. John's. Also a mainly sunny day ahead for KwaZulu-Natal with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s along the coast, but above 30 degrees the afternoon in Ladysmith, Newcastle, and on the dot 30 for Vryheid. A sunny and warm to very warm day for Mpumalanga, maximum temperatures reaching 30 degrees. And then extremely hot conditions on Friday afternoon in parts of Limpopo, maximum temperatures soaring to the upper 30s in the Lowveld as well as the Bushveld, which is going to be extremely uncomfortable, so stay hydrated, drink enough water, and try and avoid direct sunlight, especially during the hottest hours of the day. Also becoming hot in northwest on Friday afternoon, lots of sunshine, temperatures soaring above 30 degrees. In the Northern Cape, we're expecting windy conditions here in parts of the Karoo with mainly sunny skies, and then becoming warm to very warm over the northeastern areas. It's a sunny and also warm to very warm day for the Free State with maximum temperatures soaring to 30 degrees. And a sunny and very warm day ahead for Gauteng. You can expect a high of 31 degrees in Vereniging as well as Johannesburg, 32 for Pretoria. On Saturday, that cuts of low weather system nearing South Africa. We're expecting that band of thunderstorms to first extend here over parts of the Northern Cape. Showers also expected over the southern coastline and the Eastern Cape. The cuts of low strengthening on Sunday. We're expecting a few severe storms to move here over parts of the Karoo, and also the cuts of low moving over the Eastern Cape. Rain bands and showers expected in those areas, with an onshore flow pushing in more rain for the coastal parts of South Africa, especially the Eastern, Southern and Western Cape. Well, that's all from me. Keep on watching Box Weather for regular updates.